BLACK+DECKER CM2046S thermal coffee maker delivers rich 12-cup coffee with Vortex technology for even brewing. Its thermal carafe keeps coffee hot with easy scheduling and brew strength control for perfect taste anytime. What's in the box? In the box, you find the BLACK+DECKER CM2046S coffee maker, filter basket, 12-cup stainless steel, and user manual. Product overview. How to use. To use the BLACK+DECKER CM2046S thermal coffee maker, add your desired amount of medium ground coffee to the filter basket and fill the water reservoir with fresh water. Place the thermal carafe securely under the brewer, select your preferred brew strength if desired, and press Start. The Vortex technology showerhead evenly saturates the coffee grounds for enhanced flavor extraction. You can pour a cup before brewing is complete using the Sneak a Cup feature, while the double-walled thermal carafe keeps coffee hot for up to 2 hours without a warming plate. Regular cleaning and descaling help ensure optimal performance and great-tasting coffee. How to clean. To clean and descale the BLACK+DECKER CM2046S thermal coffee maker, ensure the water reservoir, filter basket, and thermal carafe are empty, and remove any paper filter. Pour white vinegar into the reservoir up to the 5-cup mark, then add fresh water until it reaches the 12-cup mark. Place the thermal carafe under the brewer, close the lid, and activate the auto-clean cycle by pressing and holding the clean button until the cleaning indicator illuminates. The machine will run a special cleaning cycle that helps remove mineral buildup from the internal components. Once the cycle is complete, discard the solution, wash the carafe and filter basket with warm, soapy water, and run 2 or 3 full brew cycles using only fresh water to rinse away any remaining vinegar residue. For best brewing performance, descale the coffee maker every few months or whenever the clean indicator lights up. Smart features? The unique showerhead design evenly distributes water over the coffee grounds for optimal saturation. This improves flavor extraction, delivering richer, more consistent coffee in every cup. The double-walled stainless steel thermal carafe keeps coffee hot for up to 2 hours without a warming plate. It helps preserve flavor and freshness while reducing the risk of burnt coffee. Set your desired brew time up to 24 hours in advance for fresh coffee whenever you need it. The programmable timer adds convenience and ensures your coffee is ready right on schedule. Choose between regular and strong brew settings to match your preferred coffee taste. The strong brew option delivers a bolder, richer flavor for a more robust coffee experience. Temporarily pauses brewing so you can pour a cup before the cycle is complete. The drip-free design helps prevent messes and lets you enjoy coffee without waiting. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the BLACK+DECKER CM2046S thermal coffee maker from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your BLACK+DECKER CM2046S thermal coffee maker. See you at the next one.